Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about selling high ticket items using affiliate marketing. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing the formula to sell high ticket items using affiliate marketing. So maybe you're new to affiliate marketing, but you're looking to sell high ticket items later on down the line, or maybe you already have some kind of experience with affiliate marketing and you're looking to really scale your income by selling high ticket items. Well, this video is going to help you out. But if you guys are new here, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel, and also if you are interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so with that being said, let me just jump right into this video. So if you're looking to sell high ticket items that are going to pay you a big commission, you need to sell these on the back end. So what I mean by that is that you need to have a low end ticket item that you're going to sell on the front end. So let me give you guys an example. If you have a product that you're selling for $2,000, let's say this is your product right here. You're going to want to sell something that's a low front end product, which somebody would be interested in buying as a front end product. So the reason why you need a front end product that's going to be a low ticket item is so you can kind of filter out the people who are just looky-loos, who are just tire kickers, who aren't really interested in what you have to offer. So if somebody buys a $50 front end product, then more than likely they're going to be interested in what you have to offer them later on down the line. So let's say, for example, of this video, we're promoting the weight loss niche, and this $50 front end product is going to be a weight loss supplement. So whenever somebody buys this weight loss supplement that costs $50, we know that they're interested in losing weight. So we can later on give them an upsell that we can sell them on the back end. So if people are struggling to lose weight, they're going to be interested in buying this product, and maybe they do. So later on down the line, you can sell them this back end product. But you don't want to jump from selling them a $50 product to a $2,000 product. You're going to want to have something in between that's going to be a middle tier product. Maybe something that costs $200. So this is something that you're going to need if you want to sell a back end product or a high ticket product that's going to pay you a big commission. Now when you have something set up like this is what's called a value ladder. So let's say, for example, this product that costs $200 would give people access to intense workout training videos that's going to help them burn body fat, maybe training videos that's going to help them build lean muscle, and maybe also include that weight loss supplement when they buy this $200 product. And if people are getting value from this product, then they're going to be more open to buying your high-end product right here. So if somebody buys the front-end product and they see results or they get value from it, and you redirect them to this $200 product right here, and they also get value from that, then more than likely they're going to be interested in this high-ticket product right here. So let's say, for example, this high-ticket product that costs $2,000 is going to give them access to a training boot camp to work with you personally. And the people who buy into this product are going to spend the weekend with you, where you're going to be training them, you're going to be educating them about healthy nutrition, maybe talking to them about life goals that they might have in order to live a healthier and happier life, and ultimately lose weight and live a better life. You see, the reason why people would be willing to pay this amount of money for a high ticket item, if you're addressing a problem that they're having and you're offering a solution to it, then people are more than willing to pay that price. So the best way to sell a high ticket item is to create a value ladder where you're offering them a front end product that's going to cost them little money, and then you're giving them the option to go deeper into solving the problems that they're having for an extra cost. And then you can keep scaling up from there. So having a value ladder is essential if you want to sell high ticket products. So that's basically how you do it. And if you're interested in an affiliate program that offers high ticket commissions, then you can check out the link in the top of the description for my personal recommendation on how to make a full-time income online. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video, and if you got some kind of value out of it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this method. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.